Hey y'all, welcome to the channel. Today we're at Lake Osprey RV Resort in Elberta, Alabama. We stayed here a couple of times over the summer and we loved it. They have a ton of amenities and we're excited to share this one with you. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and we'd love it if you'd subscribe to the channel. One of our favorite things about staying here over the summer is this gorgeous pool area. There's plenty of room. It's right next to the clubhouse that has a full kitchen. They have a tiki bar in there and restrooms. The pool is zero entry. It's heated, and they have this hot tub here that overlooks the lake. It's just a beautiful area, and it was a lot of fun. They also have a nice fitness center that overlooks the pool. They have 3 pickleball courts. The large one has 2 courts in it, and this smaller one is just a single. And they have a putting green. The Springfed Lakes are another thing we like about this resort. They do allow catch and release fishing, and you can kayak on the large one. Seeing the sights from the water is a totally different experience, and that was a lot of fun. Speaking of the RV sites, after all, that's why you're here, right? All of their sites are beautifully landscaped and extra large. There's plenty of room for your RV or your motor coach and your vehicles. We stayed on a couple of different ones. They have some that are made for buses, they're pull-ins, and then they have a lot of the back ends. They have lake view sites. There's some on the larger lake, and then there's also some on the smaller lake. So you can just check the website, and it gives a very detailed map on what's what. But they're all gorgeous. Some of them you can see have the little cottages on them. If the owners choose so, you can still rent those. These are all individually owner-owned, and the ones that are available for rent are listed on their website. It's a great community. It is beautifully landscaped. Everybody was super nice. We had a great time, and we'll definitely be back. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and please hit that subscribe button.